Columns are the compression members of a building structure and play an important role in transferring the load from superstructure to substructure. That's why these members should be casted properly by using good quality material and with great care to maintain the stability of structure for long run. In this lecture, I am going to discuss what should be the maximum distance between two columns for residential buildings. I am also going to discuss what should be the size of column, be it for single story or multi-story buildings up to G plus 3 story. In addition to that, I will also tell you how many number of bars to provide for each type of column and of what size. So before starting this lecture, if you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe it and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you don't miss any updates in future. Now coming to the main topic. Whenever we need to construct a residential building, the distance between two columns should be kept between 3 meter to 6 meter or 10 feet to 16 feet. This distance can be increased in case of high-rise buildings by executing post-tensioning method. Since we are talking about residential buildings up to G plus 3 story, the maximum span should be limited to 6 meter or 16 feet. Now the question arises, what should be the size of columns taken for a residential building? If we want to construct ground floor only, the column size can be taken as 9 inches into 9 inches or simply 0.23 meter into 0.23 meter. For this size of column, we should provide a minimum of 4 number of steel bars of minimum dia 12 mm plus tie bars of size 8 mm spaced at 150 mm center to center. For G plus 1 story, the column size should be taken as 9 inches into 12 inches or 0.23 meter into 0.3 meter. And we should provide a minimum of 6 number of steel bars of minimum dia 12 mm plus tie bars of size 8 mm spaced at 150 mm center to center. For G plus 2 story, the column size should be taken as 12 inches into 12 inches or simply 0.3 meter into 0.3 meter. And we should provide a minimum of 6 number of steel bars of minimum dia 12 mm plus tie bars of size 8 mm spaced at 150 mm center to center. The minimum column size for G plus 3 story should be taken as 12 inches into 14 inches or 0.3 meter into 0.35 meter. And we should provide a minimum of 4 number of steel bars of minimum dia 16 mm and 2 number of steel bars of dia 12 mm plus tie bars of size 10 mm spaced at 150 mm center to center. So this was all about this lecture. If you like my content, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you don't miss any updates in future.